Sure, abuti ona hle.
Come up, come up, come up, come up. Come up, come up, come up. Come up, Patriots, come up, come up, come up, come up, come up, come up, come up. Come up, Patriots, come up. Come up. Come up, Patriots, come up. Ek het niks geslaap, I didn't sleep. Come up, Patriots. Come up, Patriots, come up, come up, come up, come up. Come up, Patriots, come up, come up, come up, come up, come up, come up. Ronaldo Francis, ons is tussen. Lamaco Mitchell. Saida Ahmed, mense is tussen. Patriots. Ons sê net dankie. Dankie vir die Here. Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. Marcia Simmons, Bernadette Moses, John Bosman, Truzelda Kuris, Ankat, Drew, Carmen Pillay. Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, mense. My oë is rooi. Ek het niks geslaap nie. I couldn't sleep. I tried to sleep. I couldn't sleep. I tried to sleep. I couldn't. Excitement, 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 excitement. Ek sê net dankie. Dankie vir die Here. Hey, die goedheid en guns van die Here. Hey. Hey. Die goedheid en guns van die Here. Ek dank, I give God all praise. God Almighty. I give you all praise. Die PA slapped. The PA. There's no party for that. Our people are happy. You know, Patriots, I'm gonna have a proper life. Later tonight. This is life before the life. This is the life before the life. We're going live tonight. But I just wanted to say, my heart bor. My heart kook. You know, I look at the videos of the PA. I'm so happy. Karoo Hoogland, Oukiep, Kokama. Tell them what you say, ons het verloor. No, we didn't lose. Wag. Wyk Satan. We didn't lose in Kokama. We didn't lose in Oukiep. Life is about growth. Winning is about growth. The party is in a better position than what it was. And I tell you why am I so excited. Yes, I did go to Karoo Hoogland. I was there for an hour. But I wasn't working the ground. I did nothing. And that's what's making me happy. That this party does not need individuals. Tell her, hoor my nie. This party doesn't. You know, I tried to sleep yesterday. Excuse me. I couldn't sleep. I tried. I couldn't. I kept on looking at the videos. Die honde is die los, die mense. Ek hoor, Thomas said die hond is los. Die hond is vrek los, man. Vrek los. Kan hulle nie sien nie. Die ketting is God. Hy is nie 'n stukkie nie. God, niemand weet wat die ketting is. That's the Patriotic Alliance for you. Die Here het sterk deurgekom vir hierdie party. God came through for this party. So this is a life to advertise the life of tonight. Like julle hoor by die mense. This is a life to advertise the life of tonight. You can't miss tonight's life. This is a boat, the PA. If it leaks somewhere, and it doesn't leak on this side, we're all gonna drown. But the boat is not leaking. When you hear people say, oh, I'm leaving the PA, say, dankie Here. Verlos ons van die Judasse. Ek wil gou 'n oproep maak terwyl ek nog op die live is. Ek moet net gou 'n oproep maak terwyl ek op die live is. Ek sê hulle altyd die pad is lank. Ek is op die live. Ek bel jou vir hulle. Sê my gou, wat is dit klaversoos? Klaversoos. Amen. Die Here is die Here. Dankie, lieve Sydney. Plesier ou dier. I called lieve Sydney. Now, Sydney James, to make sure, and Monica Bottom, we've just removed basically the DA from Matikama. The PA will take the mayorship in Matikama. Die Here is die Here. Vanaand wil ek praat. I'm advertising what I'm going to talk about. So now you know, I wanted you to get it fresh from the bakery, fresh from the oven. We have just taken Matikama. So I want you to know, tonight all patriots must listen. Tonight I'm going to speak about the road is long. Die pad is lank. Die predikante as hulle mis kom preek, die pastors, Pastor Leole, hulle mis 'n sermon. Hulle title die sermon. Tonight's life is the road is long. So whatever you do tonight beyond the life, we're going to talk about the road is long. Patriots, you know, my heart is full. My heart is full because this party can survive without me. I saw the happiness of the people. I saw our people being happy, and that's what's important to me. We are birthing leaders. We are cultivating leaders in the PA. And the subsection, there's different subsections tonight. So tonight's life is a life lesson. It's real talk tonight. That's why I had to advertise this life. Tonight's life, I had to advertise. So we're going live tonight, not to be missed. This live is being advertised. But I want to say to the people of Kokama, I love you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Julle het hulle gemis. You know, I want to say to the people of Okip, julle het hulle gemis. Kykie, you know that oog is draad. You know that oog is draad. You know it's like this. That oogiesdraad. When you know when a dove goes through that wire, there's still feathers that remain on the wire. Have you ever seen that? Daar nog vere is wat agterbly die draad. Hy's net deur, maar die vere het agtergebly. Kyk, die ANC is net deur. Oh ja, die DA. We are taking over the DA. We are taking over the space of the DA. They didn't even compete in Karoo Hoogland. We got like 800, they got like 200. We beat them everywhere. The DA is busy with me. One of these days I must give somebody else to run the PA. Then I must retire. But they're busy with me. Instead of going for the PA. They are so obsessed with the PA. Instead of coming that we must work together. The PA and the DA. No. They're fighting the PA. Ons maak vir hulle klaar. If I was the DA leader, ek sal al klaar na die PA se kant toe gevry het. Because I can see the future. Numbers don't lie. Data don't lie. Hulle beklei vir ons instead of ons koop vir die Weskaap. Die ANC, the secretary of the ANC in the Northern Cape, just did something so unlike what the secretary should do. He posted now, I mean, that's not how you speak to people or how we deal with each other. He just posted now and he said, if the PA removes the mayor in Karoo Hoogland, they will remove the deputy speaker of the PA in the Northern Cape. We don't know what we have done to him for him to feel it is right to speak to us in that fashion. We don't know. But this is what we want to say to him. If you think it's okay to speak to us like that, maybe you speak to people that's position hungry. I'm giving instruction on this life that shall be followed to the people of Karoo Hoogland. Remove that mayor. Remove him. Let them remove us. They can even remove me from the ministry. Let them remove us. We can't be threatened. Touch is still a move. So I'm giving instruction now. We can't be threatened. Not the Patriotic Alliance. You can't be threatened. We must never allow ourselves to be threatened. We should never allow ourselves to be threatened. You've just been threatened, PA. Nou kom ons wys hulle, ons Baizani. He said, if you can remove our mayor, we had no intention to remove that mayor. But no, you threatened us. So kom ons wys so, ons Baizani is not just a slogan in the Patriotic Alliance. It's a statement of fact. It's a way of life. It's a covenant that we have with the PA. When you say ek Baizani, it's a covenant with the PA. If you don't know what is a covenant is when I got the prophecy that I should. When God spoke to my heart to start this party, we had a covenant. So, ons Baizani is a covenant with the Patriotic Alliance. Don't worry about this ones of the DA that post so much about PA that talks. 2026, they will not have jobs, those ones. Believe me. They will not have jobs. I have a covenant with the PA. None of you can remove me from the PA. Whether I'm not the president, I can never leave because die saak het ek oorgebid. Now when you've prayed about the matter and God has answered you. Hulle hoor jy dat julle sê Petrus, hulle maak my sommer normaal. You see, I didn't just start this party and join this party. I had to pray about it to say, so once I have decided, yes, it became a covenant. So when you say, oh, ek baiza ni, which means if somebody speaks about you in the PA and they talk bad about you, you will not baiza. If you find something you don't love in the PA, you will not baiza. If you feel you've been hurt in the PA, you will not baiza. And you say, ek baiza ni, I will fix. Ek wag. I'm back. If you have a covenant, I have a covenant with the PA. Ek my kus, my coffin will be wrapped in PA colors one day. Hy president van die PA die tyd, ek sal hom spook if they don't wrap my casket or my wat se kus ek ook in gaan in PA colors. That's a covenant that I have, not with the DP or with the SG or with the chair. It is between me and God. So today, be happy. Yes, I know we didn't win outright in Ukip. We didn't win outright in Kokama. But the fact that Karoo Hoogland hou nog onze vlag hoog. They're keeping the flag high for us. So dat wys ons staan. Ons marcheer vorentoe. Ja. Julle sal die PA niks maak nie. I'm so, you don't understand. You don't understand. You don't understand. Tonight, there's a life. The road is long. The road is long. The road is long. So julle wat so loop by die PA, gaat gou man. Ek sien gister iemand 'n statement, he's the founder of the PA, he's leaving. Ek vra die SG, wie is die man? Die SG ken hom, ek ken hom nie. Nou wat 'n founder is jy wat nog geloop het? I don't even know who you are. Ek was daar van lammers by, ek ken nie wie die man nie. Ek moet nog 'n remind vir wie is die man. Die SG sê ons sy ken ook nie wie dit is nie. Patriots, I'm happy. You must be happy. This is our party, doesn't have owners, not Gideon's party or Mbisa's party or Chanel's party or Michelle's party or whose party. This is our children's party. All our children, not my children, all our children. Ons het gewen. Karoo Hoogland! Hulle wat so loop en praat van die PA, is so sy ex. As hy dit 'n song speel, kyk jy die ex, hulle het al 'n nuwe man. Sy het al 'n nuwe man. Ek het my daar gejoel in die op hoërskool miskien of 10 jaar, 20 jaar terug of 15 jaar. Nou speel 'n song. Kyk die. Okay, that was our song. Cool, that was our song. Hey, move on. Ek het aanbeweeg. Sy is nog. Dis nooit loop. Sê, hy word gator. Ek ken nie wat is so van nie. Ek het vergiet van jou. Jou vriend sê, Tommy, wat gaat nou aan? Sorry, my girl. You know, girl. That was our song, you know, me and G. I remember. We were on a holiday. Hey, girl. Gaat dat met jou liewe? Tel eens hoe. Tel een ex. Zit op die PA. Wat ek die PA se song. Die PA. weet jy, wat was by die rally daai tyd? Toe speel die song, hoe kan die PA dit doen aan my? Was ek verkeerd, hè? Was ek verkeerd? Kykie, oh ja, hy is wel lekker lag. Wat het jy met Gator uitgegaan? Ja, nee. 2008. Ja, 2004 wat hy net uitkom. Hey, wacht. Gaat dat bij jou liever? Dit was een nieuwe man. Lijkt jou man. Lijkt jou nieuwe man. Zal het nieuwe partijen? Lijkt jullie? Praat van jullie partijen. Maar als PA hier, PA daar. Zullen zoals die exen. Hier spelen de song. Girl, you are to me. Oh, verder. Sit af. Die arme kinders moet die radio afzetten. Sit af, my fucking thing. Sit af. Zet je radio. Ik loop nog treatment. Treatment van 15 jaar geleden is een verhouding. Zij moet aangaan. Move on. So, I'm mentioning this because I'm making an example with me here. Because, you know, I think, I met, what you call it? A girl the other day in Brazil. She used to date the DP, I know her. She used to date the DP in 2005, I remember. She said to me, hey, G, how are you? I said, hey, fine, I'm at the airport in Brazil. She's like, you good? And she's like, oh, congratulations, I saw you a minister. I said, yeah, thank you, and you good? Ek probeer kyk maar van waar ken ek die meisiekind, want ek ken vir haar, maar I can't get the name. Don't go in the thing, it's going to be dark underground. Just park here for me, please. Okay. So I can finish the live. I'm just speaking to my people here. All right, salute, thank you. So, I'm saying no. I know this face, man. I know this face of this woman. I know this face. But I don't know where I saw this face. She's like, hey, G, I said, yeah, she says to me, you know, I saw you minister now. I'm like, yeah. Yes, I'm a minister now. Says, yeah, oh yeah, I saw, you no longer was Nicolette. I'm like, oh, you know Nicolette. Yeah, I see you guys are divorced. I'm like, She says, and I see your friend, that dog, is now MMC, and he's married. I'm like, yeah, you're very informed of our lives. Why are you calling my friend the dog? You know, G. Just leave it. Now the people from the embassy are looking at me like I'm now making this girl cry. I don't even know her name. I just know this girl, they used to date Kenny. Just don't open wounds. I had to get away. I said, but why are you still checking up on us? You know what he is. You know he's married. I said, that man is so gelukkig. That guy is so happy with his wife. That guy doesn't have eyes for no one. He just looks at his wife. You must move on. She's like, yeah, it's easier said than done. Ek dink dis seker al 15 jaar gelede. So all I want to say to you is, as my deksel net kan huil en as speel 'n song, ek los vir vandag. Here, it's my deksel. As ons kan sit in this music playing and she starts crying, ek is uit. Ek los vir vandag. Vir wie jy wil sê? Dit is saam met my. Wat 'n man dink jy aan wat die song vir jou laat dink? As het goeie tee gehad, hy was nie altyd so sleg hier, hy kyk dit. Hey, die hele, as dat music speel het. Kyk jy, as jou ma van hy song gehou, dit beter 'n funeral song is. Ek speel nie die game, dat is manne wat die game speel. Sy gaat nie kom huil nie, nou van julle, hulle is op die PA lives. If I say something in PA, you're like, oh no, he said this. Who will say, what should you be PA life? And I want to warn the PA members that work on this thing of the admins here, all of you. You must start blocking any person that says anything negative, block. Block. Because there's no PA member that will say something negative here. If you have something you don't like about a PA, go and say it through your leadership. You know where to find us. So, for me, I just needed to say that. Leave PA asseblief. Los hulle maar die PA uit. Leave the PA out. Los die mense het aanbeweeg. Kenny's got 5 kids with his wife. Jy's nog hier in Brazil. It's not as easy as that. Die man sal doen nooit weer terugvat nie. That man has moved on. He's in love. No, see? You know, die dog. Sy was dan so lief vir die hond. Sy is so lief vir die hond is. Sy het dan so gebrek. Vandag is sy, hulle sal so sê, ja. Iemand het gesê, ja, Clayton is net 'n dog. He hurt me. Toe sê hy, maar dit was eigenlijk gesê die laaste hond. So ja. Auntie Mika sê, ja, die had altijd gesê, hy is die laaste. Ja, we gaan weten van wie praat ik. Maar ja, is oké. Luister. I love you, Patriots. Move aan, beweeg hulle aan, die PA. Of kom maar terug huis toe. Jy het gesien dat sy en jou Deksel gestry het, ne? You and your Deksel had a fight. And you break up during that fight. And all of a sudden, you get back together. Woo! Hulle wag eens omdat die slaapkamer kom nie. As hulle die ding doen, is sommer daar in die sitkamer. Hulle is vir mekaar soen public. Ek dink wat hulle nooit doen nie. Hulle is meer liever vir mekaar. Kom maar, het is ook om liefde gee, man. Kom terug, P2P, gaan vir die liefde gee. Kom terug, sy het ons nog diep lief. Sy het ons nog diep lief. Diep, 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 die liefde. Die liefde. Die liefde. Kom terug huis toe. Jere, weet jy hoe lekker is make-up, hoor? As hulle so kwaad as mekaar is, hulle is dik naar. En of jy gaan slaap kwaad. En jy is you angry. Jy gaan slaap kwaad. En jy houdt vir jou aan die slaap. Of jy kyk so in toe. Oost, noord, fucking west, best. Ek weet nie wat die kant toe kyk sy die. En she puts a leg there over you. She's like, I'm cold. And she's like, me too. Ja, kyk hier. Daai dit is heel warm. Sy sê, I'm cold. She's like, me too, baby. Come here. Let daddy warm you. Kom, jy moet terugkom, Piet, want hulle wil warm gemaak. Hulle wil warm gemaak wees. Kom terug huis toe. Because geen man. You know, I was DJ Stacy. It's a birthday today, actually. Happy birthday, DJ Stacy. So we were in Brazil. DJ Stacy was like, so I hear she's making a noise in the car. So I thought she's arguing with Nsiki. Because I can hear 2 women was like, she's like, sick. They're just sick. Ek kom en ek sê, wat gaat nou aan? She's so kwaad. She's like, no man, a man that talks every day about our press must be sick. Ek het nog nooit vir Stacy so. Sy sê, nee, dis 'n siekte. Jy moet siek as. Ek sê, siek of verlief. Maybe die man verlief op my. Miskien is die man verlief. Die manne raak nou verlief op ander manne, jong. Is die weer 'n groot ding, jong. Verklaar my jou liefde aan my. Dat ek vir jou sê, daar is, jy sien my type nie. Ek gaan nie die way nie. Maar ek kan vir jou verwys. Daar is botches hulle hier by ons. Ons het baie manne wat gay is by die PA. And there's nothing wrong with it. Maar miskien as jy verlief is op my, kan ek jou die kant toe wys, want ek het mis nou liefde, man. En ek is nie nog weer die kante nie. Ek is nie by dit nie. So as jy by dit wil wees, ek weet want om jou te stuur. I know where to send you. Daar's baie lonely manne wat gay is. Wat ons weet is openly gay in die PA, because in PA you must be free. Of jy lesbian is, of jy gay is, ons wil jy moet in die hangkassen sit, jy is warm in die hangkassen. Jy moet uitkom. I love you, Patriot, so much. Ek het op nonsens praat. Ja, die hele dag laugh at my ear nonsense. I laugh at my own joke, sorry. I laugh the whole day with nonsense. Like, Kiki, if I love you, you better not cry when there's a love song play. Don't make that mistake. It's immediate. So which means, because ek weet, relationships got songs. Got songs. If that song plays, it makes you think of that as a blow brief. I love you guys. Live tonight. Salute. Love you guys a lot. Look at my eyes. I didn't sleep. I'll see you guys tonight. Die liefde. Mense, die liefde is 'n wonderlike ding. Die liefde. You're gonna say I'm lying. Guys, I swear. I know you're gonna say I'm lying, but it's okay. It's okay. Because I know Bakang and them will just already say, and Charles, they'll say, no, that story is not true. I like to read my story, see. I must tell you the story, because I know you're going to say I'm lying, yeah? Because I told Bakang the story, and she said, that's a lie. I don't believe that story. So I'm telling you the story. So my friend broke up with his girl. But we were in, I visited Charles in Paris. No, Charles flew with Kenny to Paris, and I flew from Cape Town, they flew from Joburg. So I then went to the hotel, I visited his room there. While I come from Charles's room, sitting there with Charles, we're chatting, my one friend in Joburg tells me, hey, G, man, I broke up with my girl. I said, no, man, why don't you come to Paris here? Let's come watch the World Cup. Myself, Charles, and Kenny is going to be in Europe the whole month on holiday. We're going to travel the whole of Europe. We're going to watch Bafana in Italy. Come. My friend says, sharp, do you have tickets? I said, no, Eshwin has arranged lots of tickets for us. Hey, it's coming. It's coming to Paris. Hey, ons gaan nou terug. So I tell him, you still love this girl. Why don't you just go back? So this girl, she was a party planner. You know, like a party planner. A kids party planner. You know, when kids parties or whatever. So, so kids party planner. So, we come back. I said to him, no, my brother, go back to your girl. I mean, for 1 month, you miss her. You talk about her every day. You talk about her every day. Just go back. He's like saying, no, let's check. So, he Googles on a schedule where she has these parties. So, 1, 2, 3. She's like 3 parties. We go to the second party. The second party, they said no, she left for the third party. We get to this third party. It's a children's party. A business is children's parties. He's seen on Sarah, and she's like, so this guy's daughter's got a party. And then, but this third party wasn't listed. We had to call the workers to hear where they are. They're like, no, we're at this party. So we get there, we see a gazebos, we're like, oh no, we're at the right place. Now this guy, very nice, handsome guy, very handsome guy. He had a 4-year-old daughter. And the party was for his 4-year-old daughter. And my friend's girlfriend was hosting, was making this party. Was the jumping castles and the gazebos. Next moment, I say, hey, how's it? She said to me, I said to her, hey, how's it, Gentle? She said, I'm good, G. How are you? What you doing here? I said, no, I came to see you. She's like, no, I've moved on. Tell your friend. My friend is still standing there, wanting to act like he's on the phone. I must just come and check. Is he cool? Dis nou, I've moved on, G. I moved on. Ek sê vir hom, my bro, die kind sê dit aanbeweeg, kos gooi. Ek gaan Zaar toe, sê ek vir hom. Ek sê, wat is Zaar? Ek sê, nie, ek gaat, nie Zaar nie, dis klap Moloko toe. Ek sê, ek gaan klap Moloko toe vandag. Kos gaan klap Moloko toe. Zaar, it didn't exist then. He says to me, G, what is he saying? He said, she moved on, brah. He turned around. She was kissing that guy. The owner of the house, big house. And you see, this guy's got his shit together. True story. My friend then ran. He took a knife. Here's this fork and knives. These plastic fork and knives. This plastic. I said, I'm gonna cut me. I'm gonna slit my wrist. I'm gonna met the plastic. You know plastic knives they give children. Die liefde is 'n wonderding. My friend wants to cut his wrist with a plastic. He's like, I love you. I'm gonna slit my. Ek kyk direk. Ek is meer skam. Laat ek wens met 'n regte knife is dat ek moet aan hospitaal toe vat. I was wishing there was a real knife because I mean, the children are laughing. That is die liefde. The children are laughing because they know what is that knife gonna do. I was wishing that's a real knife. He must cut himself and must rush him to the hospital. Die liefde. Mense, die liefde is 'n wonderlike ding. So the life is tonight. I'm so excited. Nothing get me angry today. The life is tonight. Take care. Moenie Paisani. I love you guys. You're the best. Let's talk tonight. See you tonight at the life. As any life to come, ek my pulses neem met 'n plastic mes. I'm gonna cut my wrist tonight with a plastic knife if you don't come on the live. Love you guys. Take care.